Converting an image to black and white can be done by clicking on the actual black and white section of the HSL color and black and white panel, or by using the keyboard shortcut V, which will toggle the black and white setting back and forth. By default, the black and white mix will automatically apply based on what Lightroom thinks. If you'd like to change this, go up to your Lightroom preferences and uncheck the box that says Apply Auto Mix when first converting to black and white. This will leave all of those black and white sliders at 0. If you want to reset it at any time, just hold the Option or Alt key and click on the text that says to reset the black and white mix. I'm starting from scratch here at 0, so let's go ahead and see how this works. With the black and white conversion, it's going to find the different colors inside of your image, and each of these sliders will affect the luminosity of the black or the white. If I move the red slider to the right, it's going to brighten her face and maybe some of the background. If I go down to the blue slider and move it to the left, her shirt is mostly blue, so it's going to be darkened. And then I can just continue playing with these settings until I get a nice look. Just like with the HSL and color slider, if you click on that little circle icon in the left of the panel, and then go into your image, click and drag up or down, it's going to either brighten or darken that section.